Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Paycom how to submit expenses. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To submit an expense report in Paycom, what you can do is first head over and open up your Paycom app, and then be sure to be logged in with the credentials as well. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the expenses from the main menu, then simply tap on the plus icon to create a new expense. Then you can either snap a photo of your receipt or upload an existing image. The app will auto-populate details such as the amount, vendor and date. Then specify the expense category like travel, meds or supplies. Then add any notes or description relevant to the expense. Once all the details are entered, submit the expense. Your manager will receive a notification to approve or deny the expense. You can monitor the status of your expense submission within the app. Approved expenses will be included in your next paycheck. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.